Yo. Assalamu alaikum, guys. It is 6:26 a.m. in the morning, and I am heading to SF to see my lovely doctor because I have an MRI today, and hopefully, inshallah, the test results come out fine and everything is good. So I'm happy. So let's head down there and see what happens. Yummy, get the traffic in. Bro, this traffic, man. Ah! Yo, finally at the BART station because I'm not about to drive into the city. There's way too much traffic, so hopefully I get there on time. So let's go. But I made it. I gotta change though. I hate changing. I gotta wait for the doctor. I'm gonna have some panda. Super hungry right now. Yo, that hit the spot. Time for the doctor. Yo, yeah, Top Golf. My boy. Con. Yo, these guys can't wait their turn. जरा वेट करो ना. Oh. That happens. The quesadillas were fire. Nachos were fire. To order refill. Try again. Oh. Got it. Whoa.
शॉट लगा रहे हैं हमारे उमर खयाम साहब और ये शॉट लगा
नहीं लगा।
अच्छा ये अभी दूसरा लगा रही है ये रेडी हो रहा है ये सेट हुआ ये देखो उनकी निशानबाजी ये उनकी एक्यूरेसी ये देखो वो कितना ध्यान से कर रहे हैं अभी ये शॉटिंग और ये अच्छा अभी ये तीसरी बार ये अभी इज्जत की बात आ गई है अभी इस बार वो करेंगे देखिए उसके बाल है माशाल्लाह
Whose name is that on top? Oh.
No, you got some.
Let's see what you got.
Go ahead.
Yep.